We made the viral chocolate bars from Dubai. I've never had anything like this in my life, and it's so good. Okay, I feel like first we should melt the white chocolate and like do a drizzle on the mold.
Okay, that'll look good.
So it looks fancy. Do you want to do that?
I will do that. Hot ready for that?
Nope, we're gonna do it in the microwave.
Oh. Okay.
Our new microwave that you just installed.
Sounds good, babe.
Listen, if your man is not utilizing power tools on a regular basis in front of you, what are you even doing? If you can hear it over our shaboozy. Okay, so you're gonna do it in 30-second increments and then stir it
After?
between each addition, like each 30-second increment.
Ready?
All right, it needs a lot more time.
Yeah.
Okay.
What were we doing for a date night?
We were thinking of going to a movie, but
Oh, yeah.
you and I will both be asleep.
That's true.
If I lay on you and you lay on me in a movie, we're done.
Well,
That looks good.
There's one of two things that's going to happen if we lay on each other.
Are you intimating something illegal is going to go down in the movie theater?
I'm not saying it's illegal if they're two consenting adults.
Oh, wow. It is illegal, actually. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to like splatter paint it on the chocolate mold. So you're going to go, do you want to get this on the, see how I'm like just painting it like so it looks pretty?
That does look pretty.
This is going to go over the chocolate, the dark
because you're
chocolate.
the artist in the family.
I mean, I'm not
You're
going to
very
argue
creative.
with that.
Oh, wow. I'm creative in my own ways.
I'm making it so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna stick this in the freezer, let it harden up. We're doing a lot of freezer sessions between each step, okay? Okay. Look at you cameraman. Okay, this is gonna go on top of our ice cream. Because who has time to clean out the freezer for a video? Not me. I couldn't decide on flavors, so I just bought an assortment of good European chocolate.
I love dark chocolate.
I don't know what you do. This one's hella dark. Strong dark
I
chocolate.
can just smell it. I love the smell of that.
Are you in heaven right now?
So in heaven, I just want to eat one. I
wanna
have a
buy
hard
it?
time not like just going for it and just eating the chocolate by itself.
Do you want a square?
I might need one.
Ours are gonna be this thin. Like literally our mold is this thin, baby.
I like it though.
Yeah, but it has that pastry stuff in it. I mean, I don't know if
We're
we're
gonna
gonna
create
fit
our
everything.
own art within it.
I'm not waiting another week for Amazon to drop off another mold, so. Okay, we're gonna throw this in the microwave and repeat the steps from the white chocolate. Go microwave boy, go.
Is that like a pool boy but microwave boy?
It is. You got dust all over your butt from putting that microwave in today. Installing that microwave.
That the people that brought the microwave and were supposed to install couldn't install?
Couldn't do it. All right.
Yeah, definitely needs more
For sure, more
more
time.
melting, I mean. Going back in.
Yeah, it is.
But
Are we keeping this PG?
it was PG. I
I
was
feel
just
like
talking about
every time
baklava.
we do cooking videos, it takes a turn.
Well, what's that say?
I don't know what it says about us. Oh my gosh, look how scrumptious.
It is getting pretty.
Stop, Daddy.
I think this one's going to be the one.
All right, let's see. Moment of truth.
Close.
The now hardened white chocolate covered mold.
Okay.
So this is going to be the tricky part because this is not a very thick mold. But
We can't just pour it.
you can, but we
You
have
want a bigger spoon?
Sure, baby.
You want this kind of spoon?
Sure. You want to do that?
Sure.
Okay. So you're gonna dump it out like this,
Oh, interesting.
and then we're gonna
Look how
save
good
that.
it's looking already, though.
Yeah, it looks so good.
The drizzling
Okay.
away.
So see, now there's room for that pastry dough, right?
Okay. So you
Okay.
want me to go get that?
No, this needs to go back in the freezer.
Oh, okay.
Okay? We'll put that back in the freezer.
Yes, ma'am.
And then this, I'm gonna...
There you go. You got it. Yep, keep pushing that.
Okay.
Like they can't leave. There's some what, dude? People being inappropriate online.
This kataifi.
Not what I'm doing right now. Watching your man.
We're gonna mix it with the pistachio
You
butter.
wanted-
It's such.
Oh,
I had to
gosh.
order on Amazon. It
Yeah.
came. It wasn't green because they mixed it with cashews. So one day we're hanging out downtown where we live in this cute little downtown area. There's an Italian market, and I found a bottle of it, a jar. And best be assured I made him buy it because
Definitely.
it's green. So we are gonna mix this in with the
We need a
pastry.
screen for this?
Okay. Okay. Tahini.
Tahini.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. This is like peanut butter.
Here we go.
Okay. Ooh, yummy. More. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. We're making the inside. This goes inside the chocolate bar. Is that weird? Do you want to stir it? So satisfying.
You love when I stir things.
I love watching you stir stuff.
I do.
Mmm. Yummy. That looks so good. Should we try some?
Sure. Is it okay?
Oh my god, I've never tasted anything like that in my life. Duck down.
Oh, that is really good, actually. I like that a lot.
Okay, this came out of the freezer. As you can see, it's hard as a rock. So we're going to add this into the middle of the chocolate bar. This is the filling, if you will. Do you want to get a regular spoon, baby?
Yeah.
What? Ooh, baby, we're gonna have some of this left over. What could we use this with? Okay, so we're gonna just do the same thing we did. So, it's a huge blob of chocolate. Let's try to
look
get
at the
it
other side, though.
out. Ooh, okay, this is gonna be the hard part, babe.
Oh, I thought I had it because
Oh. Ready?
It's really good. I like it. I think like the taste just keeps getting better as as you savor it in your mouth. I like it. Good call, babe.
Oh, good.
Inside.
We did a good job, babe.
You did a great job.